All right, guys, as you can see, we have this goofy lineup of cars. Hi, Paul.
Hey.
So, how you liking the V6 Camaro?
I'm liking it. We're about to go do a cruise to McDonald's.
Yep, we're gonna go get some Mickey D's.
Yeah, we'll have some.
Okay, and then guys, we have this contraption. All right. Oh, all right. Everyone's doing like a 3-point turn for some reason. So Austin has just taken off his catalytic converters in place of a test pipe, and he has some air intakes put in, which is pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and do a little 3-point right here, like so. And they're taking off. But I know better because this is an area with a lot of people walking around. So I'm gonna chill out before I do anything. Let me know in the comments if you like this style of video. If so, we'll continue to do it. All right, we're chilling now. Despite being a little cold, it is a very nice day for a little cruise, if I do say so myself. Oh yeah, see, there's the sun. Still a little cold, but can't really complain. Also, if you're wondering about that thumping noise or whatever, my tires are not good right now, so we gotta solve that eventually. I do need to get them rotated. Oh man, there's a steel plate in the road. Well, okay, well, Timmons does not care about the steel plate. Oh. Oh. Anyways, so let's talk the Eclipse for a little bit. So, my plans with the Eclipse. So we're gonna fix a bunch of things mechanically. And then for the exterior, we're probably going to go a little bit inspired from early 90s, 2000s tuner builds. So maybe a few decals. Yeah, maybe a few decals. Sorry, I just wanted to do that for you guys. And then probably another front lip of a different style. We'll see about that one though. And I want to do wheels, so I kind of want something, I want chrome or either like silver, but chrome would be a #1 pick right now. I don't really care too much about it. I just want 18-inch wheels. I got 17s right now. Something like that. Fill that wheel gap a little bit bigger. Okay, sir, thank you for overtaking me. And then for the interior, I want to swap all this to black, so I'm going to cover all this with like Alcantara and suede. So it gives it a nice modern finish. And I'm debating doing like aluminum interior trim or like faux carbon fiber interior trim because I think that can make it look nice and modern. But just small things like that. And then I think that'll be good for the build, yeah, because I'm satisfied with the power on this car, which is of an unprecedented amount of power. I don't know how much we're making, but this car's not heavy, so it doesn't take much to get it moving, so I guess you could say that like motorcycle logic. Okay, they're hauling. Don't do it around a blind corner. You're gonna smack into something. But yeah, it is a nice Thursday, oopsies. That's great. So I'm gonna let you guys know on a little secret. So the car is actually lopsided right now. The rears were never touched, the rear two wheels. But we tried to, so the front two were a little bit higher than the rear, so it was not even. So my friend CJ and I with the Mustang, we attempted to lower the front two so that it would match the rear and be even, but they were so rusted, I don't know how. A year ago they were not rusted, and now just the coilovers are rusted. Nothing else is rusted on the car in that area but the coilovers. I'll show a picture. And it went down too far, and then it just got stuck trying to go back up, and then we never touched the front right side. So now I'm gonna get a new set of coilovers as soon as possible. I'm looking at Tane Flex Z coilovers. So I think those would be a good one for the money. But if you guys have any other recommendations, you can let me know in the comments as well. Yep, the Camaro really does look nice. Okay, what are you doing, Timmons? Sir, Okay. All right. Anyways, what I was gonna say about the Camaro before we started doing that was, it looks cool. Okay, I actually kind of like the soft top. That's probably a very unpopular opinion, but not only do I think it looks all right, because he's got like the black and white accent combo. I'm sure some of you guys know the Camaro is like, the 6th gen Camaro is impossible to see out of. Like, people avoid buying Camaros for that reason. When you look back, kind of like where this area is, the blind spots are horrendously atrocious. And having a top down, it kind of remedies that a little bit. Not a little bit, it does, but yeah, I think it looks best, the soft top, on like a black or a white Camaro. In his case, he's got the white black combo. So I think it looks pretty good. Anyways, we go and park right over here. I do not want to park next to that truck, so I'm gonna go park over here like so, next to the Camaro, like so, next to the Chevrolet. There we go. Alrighty. Also, yes, the seatbelt is messed up and I have not gotten around to fixing it, so leave me alone.
Are you still recording?
Oh yeah.